The Casio fx-9750GIII graphing calculator offers a clear, textbook-style display that makes complicated formulas much easier to follow and check for accuracy. Its broad support for courses ranging from early algebra through advanced statistics and calculus means students can keep using the same calculator as their math and science work becomes more demanding. Graphing, tables, probability tools, and spreadsheet-style features are integrated in a way that feels approachable even for students who have not used a graphing calculator before. Built-in Python support allows learners to experiment with programming directly on the device, which is especially helpful for exploring algorithms and numerical methods in a hands-on way. The calculator connects to a computer through a universal serial bus cable, so it is straightforward to back up data, move programs, and share class files. It is widely accepted on major standardized exams so students can practice daily with the same reliable tool they will use on test day.